Hello, I'm about to watch this DVD, and I've noticed that on the back of the DVD, on the shiny side, that it's got a lot of sort of greasy marks on the DVD. So those greasy marks will interfere with the smooth playing of the DVD. So today I'm going to share with you how I clean those marks off a DVD. So I always get a bit of this lens bright. It's a lens cleaner that you use on reading glasses and sunglasses to clean your lenses. And all I do with that, it's a little pump pack, spray pack, is I just spray on that lens bright onto the back of the DVD where all the greasy marks are, and then I get one of these little microfiber cloths, fold it over a few times, and then just run that around the DVD in a circular motion, and that will clean off all those greasy marks. Yep, just go around a few times. I always like to go around in a circle. I don't go crossways or sideways or anything like that. Just follow the circle. Follow the tracks on the DVD in a circle, and that has actually cleaned off all those greasy marks. Now this lens bright, I'm pretty sure it's alcohol based, and so it dries off quite quickly, but I always like to leave it for the DVD for 5 or 10 minutes before I put it in the player to start watching it. Okay, there we go. That's a lovely clean DVD ready for playing. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.